Hi and welcome to Trading for Beginners. In this course, in bite-sized sections, you're going to learn how to trade the financial markets. Now, my name is Mark Sapsford. I have over 10 years experience of teaching people just like yourself how to trade the world's financial markets. That may include Forex, commodities, equities and indices. In this course, you're going to learn the basics that you need to know and understand on how to run a trading business from home. I'm going to teach you how risk management works. I'm going to teach you how support and resistance works. I'm going to teach you how risk management works in conjunction with your reward management. I'm going to teach you how to capitalize on market moves and look at support, look at resistance, and look at various other strategies that you can use in the marketplace. This course is aimed at anybody who would like to learn how to trade but has been put off in the past by residential courses that cost thousands. This is a very simple to follow workshop that you can run from home, and by the end of this you will understand the basics and be able to look at a trading chart and identify trading setups yourself. Get yourself on board straight away, click the link below, get yourself registered, get yourself on board and learn a life skill that's going to really capitalize and give you the opportunities to move yourself forward. Thank you.